Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My Arabic learners, welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic now. Inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be having some muradifats, that is some synonyms, Arabic synonyms, that is Arabic synonyms, that is muradifat Arabiya, that is Arabic synonyms for Aina Taskun, where do you live? That is Arabic muradifat, that is muradifatu Arabiyyat. Li, that is li, it means li for, that is li for, that is Arabic synonyms. That is Arabic synonyms. Arabic synonyms for where do you live. That is for where do you live. That is Arabic synonyms for where do you live. Muradifatu Arabiyyati. Li aina taskun. That is Arabic synonyms for what? For where do you live. So if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Then the first phrase we have aina taskun. Aina taskun. That is aina taskun. Taskun. It means where do you reside? That is where do you reside? Aina taskun. That is where do you reside? Aina taskun. Where do you reside? Aina ta'ish. Aina ta'ish. It has the same meaning with the first one. That is aina taskun. Because they are kalimatu muradifat. That is kalimatu muradifat. Muradifat Arabic. Sorry, muradifat Arabic. That is Arabic synonyms. Aina ta'ish. Where do you reside? Is it that you say aina taskun, where do you reside, or you say aina ta'ish, that is where do you reside? Where do you reside? They have the same meaning. Aina ta'ish, aina ta'ish, aina taskun. Now we have aina manziluka. Aina manziluka, that is where is your house? Where is your house? That is synonyms of what? Of ta'ish. Also synonyms of what? Taskunu. Aina taskunu, aina ta'ish. Then the third one is what? Aina manziluka. Where is your house? It means what? Where is your house? Where is your house? Then we have aina daruka. Aina daruka. Aina daruka. Daru. That is aina daru. That is where is your home. That is daru with manzilut, what ta'ish with taskun. They are what? They are muradifat Arabiya. That is Arabic. They are Arabic synonyms. It's either you say aina manziluka, or you say aina ta'ish, or you say aina taskun, or you say aina daruka. That is where is your home. Where is your home? Then we have aina baituka. Aina baituka. Baituka. That's aina baituka. Where is your house? That is where is your house? Where is your house? Aina baituka. Where is your house? So they are what? They are kalimatu. They are what? Kalimatu muradifatu Arabiya. Arabic what? Arabic synonyms. It's either you say aina taskun, where do you live? Aina taskun, where do you live? Or you say aina ta'ishu. Aina ta'ishu. Or you say aina manziluka. Aina manziluka. Aina daruka. Then we have aina baituka. They are what? They are both kalimatu muradifat. Now we have ma mahalu iqamatuka. Ma mahalu iqamatuka. That is where is your place of residence? Where is your place of residence? Where is your place of residence? That is where is your place of what? Of residence. Ma mahallu iqamatika. Ma mahallu iqamatuka. Where is your place of what? Of residence. Then we have ma unwaka. Ma unwanuka. Unwanuka. That is, where is your address? Where is your address? Ma unwanuka. Where is your address? Then we have aina yaqa'u maskanuka. Aina yaqa'u maskanuka. That is, aina, this is ma, so this is ma mahalu. That is, what is your place of residence? What? That is, it means what? What's your place of residence? Then this one, aina yaqa'u maskanuka. That is where, because aina means what? Where. Ma, it means what? Now, aina yaqa'u maskanuka. That is, where is your place of what? Of residence. Of residence. Where is your place of residence? Then we have the last one, which is aina tukimu. Aina tukimu. That is, where do you live? Where do you live? Aina tukim, where do you live? Aina tukim, where do you live? Now you can repeat it after me now. Aina taskunu. Aina taskunu, where do you reside? Aina taskunu, where do you reside? We have aina ta'ishu. Aina ta'ishu, that is, where do you reside? That is kalimatu, that is muradifat, synonyms of what of this? Aina manziluka. Aina manziluka, where is your house? Aina manziluka, where is your house? Aina daruka. Aina daruka, where is your home? Aina daruka, that is, where is your home? Aina baituka. Aina baituka, where is your house? We have ma mahallu iqamatika. Ma mahallu iqamatika, where is your, what's your place of residence? Ma mahallu iqamatika, where is your, what is your place of what? Of residence? Ma unwanuka. Ma unwanuka. Unwan, that is address. Unwan, when you say unwan, that is unwan. That is unwan, address. Then we have ma unwanuka, where is your address? Ma unwanuka, that is where is your address? Aina yaqa'u maskanuka. Aina yaqa'u maskanuka, where is your place of residence? Aina yaqa'u maskanuka, where is your place of residence? Then we have aina tukimu. Aina tukim, that is, where do you live? Aina tukimu, where do you live? So these are what muradifatu Arabiya, that is Arabic synonyms of for what? Li, that is li, that is for li means what? That is li. We have li, that is lam kesro, that is li. It is what? This for. You understand? Hope you understand now. Li, that's for. Taskun, for where do you live? Aina taskun, where do you live? So these are what Arabic, these are muradifat Arabiya, this is Arabic synonyms. So if this is your first time watching my video, for you to be able to what, to be able to get this, for you to be able to be fluent in Arabic, just need to what, just need to practice every day and every day. So if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.